Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still
Encountering error code 504 within Pokémon Home can be a frustrating experience for users seeking to manage their Pokémon collection seamlessly. However, it's essential to acknowledge that, in some instances, this error might persist despite various troubleshooting efforts. Error code 504 typically indicates a server-related problem that hampers the communication between the user's device and Pokémon Home servers. While several steps can be taken to mitigate such issues, there are instances where resolving error 504 might be beyond immediate user control. Common troubleshooting steps, including checking your internet connection, app updates, cache clearing, and reinstalling the app, might not always resolve this specific error. Despite users' attempts and efforts, if it continues persistently, it may be indicative of underlying server-related complications on Pokémon Home's end. In these situations, patience becomes crucial as the resolution might require interventions or updates from the Pokémon Home development team. It's advisable to monitor official channels or social media for any announcements or updates regarding ongoing server issues or maintenance that might address error code 504. Ultimately, while it's frustrating to encounter error 504 repeatedly, understanding that certain technical glitches might necessitate server-side resolutions can alleviate user frustration and maintain realistic expectation during the Pokémon Home experience. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.